Welcome friends to Dynamics Tutorials, and in this Photoshop tutorial I am gonna show you world's most advanced AI application for creatives. Yes, Photoshop 2021. You can also say version 22.0. This year Adobe is giving you the smartest application for creatives. New Photoshop features are just mind-blowing because they are just a click away for beginners to become the advanced Photoshop editors. In Photoshop 2021, Adobe has added so many features like neural filters for skin smoothing, sky replacement, refine edge selection, updated content aware fill, and also some helping hand features like Discover Panel. So what are some main features in Photoshop 2021? For that, let's get straight into the video. So first we're gonna look at neural filters, which has skin smoothing and style transformation. So where you can find neural filters? In the filter panel. Just go to the filter panel and here you can find neural filters. Let's see how skin smoothing works. As I already said that new Photoshop is all about some smart features. So it will automatically smoothen your skin. All you have to do is just switch on this button. After that you can change its blurriness and also smoothness according to your picture. Moving ahead with the next feature, which is Smart Portrait. With this feature you can simply change the face expression. For this all you have to do is just switch on the Smart Portrait feature and then you can choose the expressions like happiness, surprise and anger. Let's see how this feature works. So I choose a picture where my model has no expression. So simply I'm gonna exceed happiness and surprise both together and let's see what this feature do. Here you can see the change. With the AI intelligence, Photoshop has changed the facial features into a happy look. And then you can see that Photoshop has made a new layer above the background layer, so you can switch off this thing anytime. So our next feature is makeup transfer. As the name suggests, it just transfers the makeup. So I have already opened two images here. One is with makeup and one is without makeup. So go to neural filters and choose makeup transfer. So here is an option which says select image. So you have to select the image which has makeup. So I am choosing my second picture and now you can see the transformation. The lipstick color and the eyeshadow has put into the picture. This feature can help a lot in Photoshop manipulation or in skin retouching. You can switch off feature layers anytime if you want your original layer back. So our next feature is depth aware haze. You can also find this in the neural filters. With this effect, what you can do is you can add a haze or a foggy effect to your picture and automatically Photoshop will add some haze and blurriness to your picture. Next feature is colorize. So before Photoshop 2021, we have to do a lot of efforts to transform a black and white picture into a color portrait. Now Photoshop is offering a feature which is called colorize. All you have to do is just on the colorize switch and then you can see magic in seconds. It will automatically detect your picture and color it accordingly. But you can also change its color. You can change red to cyan, blue and yellow, magenta green and also focus color and scene color. So you can also choose output in new layer or over the background layer. It's all up to you. I have chosen new layer so that I can switch off my new layer or my feature anytime. Just like this, you have so many options in neural filter like super zoom, which will zoom your photo photo restoration, dust and scratches, noise reduction, face cleanup, photo to sketch, sketch to portrait, pencil artwork, and face to caricature. Before this Photoshop version, we have to do a lot of work and we have to put some lot of efforts just to make our picture caricature or a pencil artwork. But with these neural filters, you can do so many things just by a click. So along with neural filters, Adobe has updated so many tools in Photoshop like select and mask. So choose any selection tool, like here I am choosing quick selection tool and go to select and mask. We have already select and mask option. So in this select and mask feature, you can select your subject. So with the AI intelligence, this feature will select your subject automatically. Now you can choose a overlay or a white on black to see how well your subject is looking. You can also refine hair just by a click, so you don't have to put your hours and minutes just to refine the hairs. So you can see how well this feature works. Next feature is you can say helping hand or discover panel. With this feature, all you have to do is just go to the help option and search any term, and Photoshop will eventually show you that feature in this panel. So here I am searching desaturate. With this feature you can just search anything on Photoshop and with a click you can put that thing on your layer. Content aware fill. We already had this option in Photoshop, but with the new update you can just choose your selection and refine your selection as well, and you can also choose your output setting to new layer. Reset transform. This feature works very well for Photoshop manipulation. So here I am transforming my object and also the above layers on it. But what will happen if you want to retransform only a particular layer and don't want to change anything else? So you can't undo all your work. So Photoshop has given you a feature, reset transform. You can right click on your layer and choose reset transform. With this feature, only a particular layer will retransform or reset to the default and all the other layer will remain the same. So this will save your time if you want to reset anything after doing so many manipulations. Curve edges. This feature is very helpful for those who are into website banners or creators. So previously you have to choose rectangle with round edges and you have to choose your shape curves accordingly. But with this feature, your shape will work just like as pen tool's path. Next is remove background. Quick action. This feature is so helpful for any Photoshop user. You can find this feature on help panel, and with quick action you can remove background, you can add blur to your background, you can make your background black and white, and also you can enhance your image. So I am choosing remove background here. Just click on apply and then this will automatically with the smart intelligence mask your background. Last but not the least, sky replacement. As the name suggests, with this feature you can replace your sky with any other sky. So you can find this feature in the edit panel. So in this panel you can choose so many different skies which Adobe library already given you. So here I am choosing a sunset sky just to show you how well this feature works. After choosing your sky, click OK. Now you can see there is a group above our background layer, and in this group you can see how well the Photoshop intelligence is working for masking the trees and choosing different color layers just to replace your sky. So here are some features which Adobe giving you in Photoshop 2021. I am not covering all the features. These are just some important and useful features for the beginners. Like this video if this tutorial helped you in learning something new. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.